Speaking about Christmas, there is one tradition that inspires me every year is making gingerbread cookies. And this year won't be an exception. I've made huge amount of gingerbread cookies and I want to share with you some gingerbread presents that I prepared for my relatives and friends. I've made some 3D cookies and many other regular cookies, and let's start with the 3D cookies. I've bought some cookie cutter for making Christmas train, Christmas tree itself, and for street light. Here I have already prepared the gingerbread Christmas train and I'm going to fill it with gingerbread cookies and some chocolate cookies. For this gingerbread train I bought this huge box. I've decorated it with paper, colorful paper, and this present will go to my little nephews. I'm very excited about it. I hope they will enjoy the Christmas train itself and the taste of cookies. The second present is street light, and I wanted to share with you the process because at the middle of the process when I assembled this street light it didn't seem like a present, but when I finished decorating it with icing it became very festive street light. So my advice to you is don't worry if something goes wrong, everything can be handled. The third present is Christmas tree. I did it with a plain pattern and I used the royal icing here, white royal icing, and then put some confectionery sprinkles to make some bright spots on each side of the Christmas tree. This year I had the huge preparation for my creations. I used 2 kilos of sugar powder for assembling the 3D gingerbread cookies and for a decoration of each of them. My Christmas gifts contain not only gingerbread cookies but also marble, biscuits and also chocolate chip cookies. And if you like this cookie as much as I do, I will put the recipes in the description down below. Now, the most interesting part is assembling the presents. When I'm making the present for one person, I love to put the gingerbread with the name. I think it puts additional warmth and feelings. It's just a little sign, like I thought about the person making the present. I have 2 types of gingerbread dough. One contains honey and the other one contains glucose syrup. and I may say that these two recipes of gingerbread dough are so delicious, and if you're interested, let me know in the comments. And next time I will make a video about gingerbread dough. These presents are finally ready to go to their owner. I hope you enjoyed watching this preparation, and I'll see you in my next video.